Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Talk Channel.
Hi friends, I'm Mike and this is Sarah.
Today, we're talking about a very important topic, daily routines.
Yes, your daily routine is the set of things you do every day.
Mike, what time do you wake up? Wake up means you stop sleeping.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. How about you?
I wake up at 6:30. I like to start my day early.
So, Sarah, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
First, I turn off my alarm, then I get out of bed. Get out of bed means I stand up and leave my bed.
Getting up is hard.
I know! After I get up, I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
I wash my face too, but with cold water. It wakes me up.
Cold water! That's too cold for me. I use warm water. Then I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
That's good. After brushing my teeth, I take a shower. Take a shower means I wash my whole body. A hot shower feels great in the morning.
I agree. After my shower, I get dressed. I put on my clothes.
Breakfast time. What do you eat?
I usually have toast with butter and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I eat fruit.
I eat cereal with milk and drink orange juice. Breakfast gives me energy, power for the day.
After breakfast, I leave home at 8 o'clock. I go to work by bus. The bus ride takes 30 minutes. Takes means it needs 30 minutes.
I don't commute because I work from home. Commute means traveling to work.
Lucky you.
I start work at 9 o'clock. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer.
At work, I check my emails first. Check means I read my messages. Then I have meetings with my team.
Same here. At 12:30, I take a lunch break. Take a break means stop working for a short time.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock, a sandwich and salad. Sometimes I go to a cafe with coworkers. Coworkers are the people you work with.
I usually make lunch at home. Today I made pasta with tomato sauce. Simple and delicious.
After lunch, I work until 5 o'clock. Until means up to that time. Then I finish work and go home.
The evening is my favorite time. What do you do after work?
When I get home, I change my clothes. Change means to put on different clothes. I wear comfortable pajamas or sweatpants. Then I relax.
I do the same. Around 7 o'clock, around means about that time, I cook dinner.
What do you cook?
Many things, chicken, vegetables, rice, fish. I like trying new recipes.
I cook sometimes, but often I'm tired, so I order food. Order food means a restaurant brings food to my home.
After dinner, I usually watch TV or play games.
I watch TV too, or I read a book. Sometimes I call my family or friends. Talking to them makes me happy.
What time do you go to bed?
I try to go to bed at 10:30, sometimes 11. Before bed, I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth and set my alarm for the next morning. Set means prepare the alarm.
Then I read for 15 minutes. It helps me sleep better.
I just close my eyes and think about good things. Then I fall asleep. Start sleeping.
And that's our daily routine.
Everyone's routine is different. The important thing is to have a routine that works for you.
Practice talking about your daily routine in English.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Subscribe and share. See you next time. Goodbye.